Hello everyone. In today's lesson, you will learn 5 easy ways to ask someone's name in Chinese, from casual expression to more formal and respectful ones. Let's get started. Number 1. 你叫什么名字? What's your name? The most common and straightforward way to ask someone's name. It is used in everyday conversations and is suitable in most situations. Example: 你叫什么名字? What's your name? 我叫李明. My name is Li Ming. Number 2. 您guìxìng. What's your surname? This is a polite and respectful way to ask someone's surname, commonly used in formal situations or when speaking to elders. Example: 您guìxìng. What's your surname? 我姓王. My surname is Wang. Number 3. 你叫什么? What's your name? This is a casual and shortened version of 你叫什么名字? And it is used among friends and peers. Examples: 你叫什么? What's your name? 我叫小明. My name is 小明. Number 4. 请问您怎么称呼? How should I address you? It's formal and polite and used with elders, teachers, clients, or professionals. Example: 请问您怎么称呼? How should I address you? 我叫王小运. My name is Wang Xiaoyun. Number 5. 请问您的名字是? May I ask what your name is? It's a polite and formal expression used when meeting an elder, a respected person, or someone in a formal setting. Example: 请问您的名字是? May I ask what your name is? 我叫李明. My name is Li Ming. Vocabulary: 叫 to be called, 名字 name, guìxìng surname, 称呼 to address, call someone. In this lesson, you have learned 5 easy ways to ask someone's name in Chinese. Which phrase will you use most often? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next one. Goodbye. 再见.